Hi guys, so to get started on this week's manicure, we're going to do a French look to start. So I'm just using one of these stencils to create the smile line, and I'm doing it in white. A little tip is to put it on your skin first, just to remove some of the stickiness before popping it on your nail. Over the entire nail, I'm going to apply this scattered hollow. This is from my own indie collection, and use the link down below if you're in the UK and would like to purchase one for yourself. Now for some detail using a black striper, we're doing 3 short lines coming along the side of the French, and then 2 full lines on the opposite side of the nail. Lastly, using a little bit of top coat, we're going to apply a silver crystal about halfway up the side lines that we drew.